Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's so nice to see you guys again. So I was thinking from now on, I would try to give you guys like a name. So even though this channel name is called Tenzi Camilla, my last name is Richard, so
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 M's in my bank account.
Today I want to do a little 20 different outfits you can do when you have nothing to wear. Be using basic items and just sprinkling that with some of the funkier pieces that you have in your wardrobe. So I think this is a great video to watch to get some great inspiration for you to make really cool outfits. So yeah, let's get into it. So we're gonna start with some basic pieces. Here we have a white long sleeved off shoulder piece. So what you can do is pull it up over your shoulders. And then over here, I'll teach you layering. All right, so over here, I just have this simple black vest type and then put it on over my white long sleeve top. So you see over here, it just gives it a completely different look. It looks sophisticated together. Add some shades. And then add just a little tiny bag. It doesn't have to be branded or anything. But it's simple, minimalist looking bag like this will really make it look so much more expensive and make you look like you spent so much time putting it together, but you didn't. And then put on some Doc Marts or any black boots. Cool. Did somebody say Little House by the Prairie? This is what I imagine they would look like in this modern day and age. So I've just draped a dress over the white sleeve top, and you can pull the sleeves down to be off shoulder again to give it more interesting silhouette up in the top. So this dress has little polka dots on it that are white as well, so it ties in nicely with the top. Of course, the dress doesn't have to be white in order to match this look as well, as you can see with this next dress. So I've popped on this yellow dress over here with poofy sleeves as well. So the added sleeves underneath just add a more feminine effect to the already feminine dress. You can style this up with the same bag and these cute sunglasses. I still love tiny sunglasses, like they're just cute. Just like that, you have another outfit. Now moving on to our next basic is the little black dress. I believe almost everyone owns one. If not, I would highly suggest you invest in one. So I have this shiny little number over here. Most of the time, you may feel like it's a little too dressed up to wear on its own, but it's such a great basic piece. So what I like to do is I like to layer it. So I've just put on this little cardigan over it, and I love the pastel color in contrast with the black. Then you add a pair of boots, and you look like a Brandy Melville model. If you want to change it up, I've also got these Converses over here. So pair it with like any white shoes. You've got high tops, that's great. You've got a cropped sweater especially, it is beautiful with this, because it cinches in your waist and gives you that figure. If the cropped look isn't for you, not to worry. You can go ahead and throw on that huge jumper that you have. And just like that, the dress acts as a cute little skirt peeping underneath that jumper. So I love this because you can just take off the jumper. If you don't feel like it, you can wrap it around your waist afterwards. Or you can choose to make it a little cropped. You can just hold it up and tie it at the back. So many different ways to wear this. It's so versatile, so simple, and really chic. Next we have the power balls look. I love this. Just threw on this blazer top with a little peplum at the bottom, which helps cinch it all in. You wouldn't even really be able to tell that you're wearing a dress underneath. I just love this because you're taking what was usually used as like a party dress and making it really office chic. Once again, bring in those polka dots that are black that go with the dress underneath. Easiest way to make an outfit look more professional, throw on a blazer. So I have this relaxed blazer material, so you can just button up if you wanted to really look more serious, or if you like to go for a more messy chic look, roll up the sleeves and unbutton those buttons. It's almost like a whole other outfit. Now, a cool way to rock athleisure wear is to wear a bralette and add it on with a matching pant. And then I just threw on a white tee underneath the bralette if you want a more modest outfit. It's really cool because bralettes usually have an interesting back as well, so you can add a little back element to your outfit. Also, don't be fooled by all the named brands that I own. I actually buy all of these either at factories for like more than half the price off, or I thrift them secondhand. Another basic I really need you guys to get: a tanned tapered pant. These guys are going to be your best friend. You can dress this down and up super easily, and the color is great with everything. So I just matched it with the previous top and added some cute accessories. Yeah, and I love this look. It's just, I know I've said it so many times, like somebody gives girls like a synonym book or whatever, but I'm clearly feeling my oats. Effortlessly chic. Oh yeah, smize. The next look is a pair of plaid pants, which you could find anywhere really. Another staple you should have in your wardrobe. I was just feeling this outfit. If you want to up the visco level, add a matching scrunchie. I was obviously feeling this visco look. Now strike your visco girl pose. Now I've just decked on this plaid dress. I love it so much. This is another great piece to have in your wardrobe, and I've just dressed it up with a few accessories, some sunglasses, a little bracelet. I was feeling pretty groovy. Really simple monochromatic look. Can't go wrong. If you're not a fan of dresses, you can put on your jumpsuits. And yes, this is me dancing to distract you from the fact that my jumpsuit top is falling down because I can't zip it all the way up. It got stuck. Did the dancing work? But anyway, I love this. I think it's really cool and it adds more complexity to your outfit. Polo sweaters are the bomb. You can get some for super cheap and you can thrift it really easily these days. So I love them with the collars because it gives it a really preppy look. One way to spice it right up is to add a corset. It gives you a little bit of a bunchy look around your hips, but I kind of dig that. This twist between an oversized sweater with a cinched corset is something that I think is really cool. This next look I actually am in love with. So what I've done is just add on a little cardigan over. It's kind of my Eat, Pray, Love hippie cardigan. added together with this smart varsity looking polo, I definitely feel really hippies going on in the 70s mixed with I'm a college student. I think it's a great way for you to use your print cardigan that you probably bought when you were like 12, back when it was all the rage, and you can repurpose it for this. Now, who doesn't love a pop of color, especially when it's uniquely on a huge oversized blazer? So I love this. If you've been a subscriber of mine or follower for quite some time, you would have seen this. I am in love. It's so versatile. I've paired this so many different ways. And you put the collar of your sweater over the blazer, just gives it a whole new look. You look like an absolute boss. Especially if it comes with a belt, or you could add your own belt even. I love this. With a unique color, you could do like really playful and funky and really out there and edgy, but you can also play it down like this. Anyway, then my package arrived from Shein, and that was really exciting because I bought decorations for my room makeover that's coming up on my channel really soon. Now, the easiest way to layer onto a polo sweater is just to throw your leather jacket right on top. Just drape it right over. Add a little cute bag, and you look like you're about to be paparazzi'd. So for the last basic staple piece that you should have in your wardrobe, we have the bodysuit. I think bodysuits are absolutely essential, especially if you have tight pants or you hate seeing those like visible lines of your clothes from your pants. So you can wear it in a comfy way, or you can dress it up. Just pull your hair back, put a little bag on, and you look instantly chic. Put a pair of sunglasses on while you're at it, like, go crazy. Especially when they all seem to be the similar tones. That looks even more well coordinated. Next up, we have a pinafore. So I'm sure you guys don't really hear this a lot in videos, but I love pinafores. I think they're extremely underrated. It's an amazing way to spice up your outfit, make it look so cute. The silhouette is really unexpected, so it's really interesting. So this pinafore I got from a thrift shop, but I think it was originally from Urban Revival. I love the fact that it's all high-waisted. It has a little asymmetrical bit at the bottom. And if you have low-cut bodysuits or tops, it's the best way to show it off at the same time. And lastly, we have a cheetah print skirt. This is an amazing thing to have in your wardrobe. It's so fun. You can wear it as a party outfit. We're having girls' night, whatever. You could wear that to work. It is so versatile. I love it, and it obviously makes me feel like a diva and makes me feel a little bit like Sofia Vergara from Modern Family. I'm obviously feeling this look, especially if you have a bandage skirt, is great with a bodysuit. Alright, so that's a wrap on this video. Thank you very much for tuning in and watching through all the way to the end. I really hope that you guys like it. I tried to make this with as many basic pieces as I could so that this could be a very achievable look, easily emulated without having to purchase further stuff. But thank you so much for tuning in. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I really put a lot of thought into all of the outfits, so if you guys like it, please subscribe and leave a like, follow me on Instagram, do all that. Thank you very much, and I hope you guys have an awesome day.